Two SEO giants step into the ring. But when it comes to beating the competition, which one really delivers? On one side, we've got Ahrefs, the feature-packed analytics powerhouse, and on the other, Moz, trusted by marketers worldwide. Let's skip the marketing hype and dig into what actually matters. Every category gets its score, and at the end, you'll see who truly stands out. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, here's what we're looking at. We're going to compare pricing, backlink analysis, keyword research, site audit, user experience, and rank tracking. Sound like a plan? Let's jump into pricing first. So let's talk money. Ahrefs is, well, it ain't cheap. You're getting a ton of data, sure, and honestly, the depth can justify the price if you're a hardcore user or agency. But heads up, there's no free tier, and those top plans, they're pricey. Now, Moz rolls in with a much easier entry point. Their free tools are actually kinda generous, and if you're just dipping your toes into the SEO pool, you'll appreciate not having to cash out your life savings. That said, with Moz, the lower tier plans do give you less data. Still, on price, gotta say, Moz edges it out here. Moving to backlink analysis, and oh man, Ahrefs is just flexing here. They've got the biggest backlink database around, real-time updates, some seriously nerdy link quality metrics. If you're obsessed with links, guilty, it pretty much doesn't get better. Only downside? There's so much it can totally overwhelm a beginner. Moz, to its credit, keeps things simple and the interface is easy to navigate, but the database is a lot smaller, and honestly, updates are just slower. So for digging deep into backlink profiles, Ahrefs definitely takes the cake. Keyword research time. Ahrefs continues to impress with this massive keyword database. Pretty spot-on search volumes, all these fancy filters. It's crazy, but again, it feels like you need a master's degree in SEO to use everything. Moz does a solid job here. Great keyword suggestions, difficulty scores are reliable, but you do notice the database is smaller. If you want to nerd out at scale, Ahrefs is king. For most basic research, Moz is totally serviceable. But yeah, Ahrefs wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Ahrefs actually crawls over 6 billion pages every single day? That's wild, right? Site audits. So here, it's honestly kind of a tie. Ahrefs is all about technical depth and fast crawling. It's fast, thorough, but sometimes the recommendations are a little too technical or, I don't know, not that actionable. Moz, on the other hand, has these really easy-to-understand insights, helps you prioritize, but the crawl speed kinda drags. So, super advanced or just want actionable to-dos? Depends on your vibe. Neither really runs away with it. Alright, next up is user experience. This is where Moz is just like, let me hold your hand. The design is super intuitive, perfect for newbies, and their onboarding is just chef's kiss. The cost? Well, you lose some advanced features that power users might crave. Jump over to Ahrefs, features out the wazoo, which is awesome, until you're drowning in menus wondering what button you just pressed. Steep learning curve for real. So if you want to be up and running fast and not feeling dumb, Moz is the clear winner here. Last up, rank tracking. Both of these guys are strong in this department. Ahrefs is accurate, covers local tracking, but you know, the reporting could give you a little more. Moz fires back with super detailed reports, easy organization for your campaigns, and nice extras like SERP feature tracking. The trade-off? Updates are a bit slower. But for most users, those reports and campaign tools give Moz the edge. Check this out, a quick side-by-side radar chart. You can see Ahrefs absolutely crushing it in backlink and keyword departments, while Moz dominates on usability and pricing. Some categories are neck and neck, so not a total blowout. So here's the bottom line. Ahrefs. It's the heavyweight champ for advanced SEOs and agencies. You want all the data, all the power, go for it. But if you're just jumping in or want an experience that's like actually welcoming, Moz is easier to learn and way more forgiving. It really depends on what you're after. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.